Turkey's new pride in aviation, TUSAŞ Gökbey helicopter. Gökbey has met the skies. Today, we will introduce you to Gökbey, Turkey's domestically produced helicopter. This remarkable platform, a product of national technology, will be presented in detail. We hope you enjoy our video. The TUSAŞ Gökbey helicopter, a milestone in Turkish aviation history, is a concrete demonstration of Turkey's original design and production capability. This helicopter represents a significant development not only for the Turkish defense industry but also for the global aviation sector. As a global YouTube channel, we are always excited to share advancements in aviation and defense technologies worldwide with our viewers, and Gökbey is a prime example showcasing Turkey's ambitious steps in this field. In this discussion, we will examine every aspect of the Gökbey helicopter in detail, from its development process to its technical specifications, usage areas, and potential in the international market. The development process of the Gökbey helicopter began in 2010 with initial preliminary design studies as part of Turkey's long-term strategic vision in aviation. The project was formalized in 2013 with a contract signed between the Undersecretariat for Defense Industries, now SSB, and Turkish Aerospace Industries, TUSAŞ, aiming to develop a 6-ton class multi-role helicopter. During this process, Alp Aviation was responsible for the production and assembly of landing gears, gearboxes, and dynamic components, while the Spanish company SESA supplied the hydraulic systems. A critical phase in Gökbey's development process was the challenging cold weather tests, which were vital for civilian and military certification processes. These tests were successfully completed in the Kiruna region of Sweden, proving that the helicopter can operate smoothly even in extreme winter conditions down to -30 degrees Celsius. These tests confirmed Gökbey's ability to operate in a wide geographical area and under various climatic conditions. Following the completion of the serial production process, the first 3 Gökbey helicopters were delivered to the Gendarmerie General Command on October 29, 2024, and January 14, 2025. Another significant step in the Gökbey project was the helicopter's maiden flight with the domestically developed TEI TS1400 turboshaft engine on April 23, 2023. This development is a major step towards reducing Gökbey's external dependency in terms of engine power. The development process of Gökbey clearly demonstrates Turkey's determination to gain independent capability in helicopter design and production. This process, involving the collaboration of many stakeholders and challenging testing phases, reveals that Turkey has made significant progress towards achieving its strategic goals in aviation. The Gökbey helicopter boasts superior technical specifications, incorporating the latest innovations in modern aviation technology. Specifications value engine type Ultec CTS 800-4A/TEI TS 1400 maximum takeoff weight 6,050 kg, 13,338 pounds. Length 15.87 meters, 52 feet 1 inch. Main rotor diameter 13.2 meters, 43 feet 4 inches. Crew 2 passenger capacity up to 12 maximum speed 306 km per hour, 165 knots. Cruise speed 278 to 305 km per hour, 150 to 165 knots. Range 740 plus km, 400 plus Nm, 948 plus km, with auxiliary fuel tank. Endurance 3.8 plus hours, 5 plus hours, with auxiliary fuel tank. Service ceiling 6,096 meters, 20,000 feet. Main rotor blade count 5 tail rotor blade count for standard fuel capacity 1,020 kilograms, 2,248 pounds. Auxiliary fuel capacity 280 kilograms, 617 pounds. Cargo compartment volume 1.1 cubic meters, 35 feet superscript 3. Transmission dry run time 30 minutes. Operation capability in case of lubrication loss. Initially powered by two Ultec CTS 800-4A turboshaft engines, each producing 1,373 shop at takeoff, Gukbei is planned to use domestically produced TEITS 1400 turboshaft engines with 1,400 shop, up to 1,660 shop in emergency situations, in future serial production models. The helicopter has a maximum takeoff weight of 6,050 kilograms, a length of 15.87 meters, and a main rotor diameter of 13.2 meters. With a capacity of 2 pilots and 12 passengers, Gukbei can reach a maximum speed of 306 km per hour and a cruise speed of 278 to 305 km per hour. With a standard fuel tank, the helicopter has a range of 740 plus km, which can be extended to 948 plus km with an auxiliary fuel tank, and its endurance can be increased from 3 hours and 48 minutes to 5 plus hours. Gukbei's service ceiling is 6,096 meters. To minimize vibration and noise, the helicopter features a 5-blade main rotor and a 4-blade tail rotor, with fully articulated and elastomeric bearing rotor systems. Additionally, the transmission system can operate for 30 minutes in case of lubrication loss. These technical specifications demonstrate that Gukbei is designed as a high-performance and versatile general-purpose helicopter. Its payload capacity, range, and altitude capabilities make it suitable for various missions. With the integration of a domestic engine, these features are expected to be further enhanced. The Gukbei helicopter is designed to successfully perform a wide range of missions. VIP transport can be specially configured for comfortable and safe VIP personnel transport. Cargo transport can carry significant amounts of cargo thanks to its spacious cabin area. Air ambulance, EMS, can be equipped for emergency medical services and quickly transport patients. The Ministry of Health plans to receive specially equipped Gukbei helicopters as air ambulances from the beginning of 2026. Search and Rescue, SAR, designed for effective search and rescue operations, including open sea and coastal areas. The Turkish Coast Guard Command will add Gukbei helicopters in a special configuration for SAR missions to its inventory. Military operations can perform general-purpose missions such as personnel and material transport for military and paramilitary forces. The Gendarmerie General Command actively uses Gukbei in Special Forces (JAK) operations. Offshore operations, designed appropriately for missions such as personnel and material transport to offshore platforms. Firefighting, it is stated that a larger variant, the T925, is planned specifically for firefighting missions. Gukbei's versatile mission capabilities demonstrate that it can meet the various operational needs of both civilian and military users. This adaptability significantly enhances the helicopter's value and market potential. Advanced intelligence, avionics and cockpit technology. The Gukbei helicopter is equipped with state-of-the-art avionics systems. It features an advanced Aselsan glass cockpit offering comfort and high visibility. It includes 2 large touch-integrated mission displays, 8 by 20 inches, and 2 touch data entry command control units, 8 by 10 inches. A 4-axis dual redundant automatic flight control system is integrated, providing superior controllability. The first Gukbei helicopter delivered to the Gendarmerie General Command includes 34 different domestic avionics systems developed by Aselsan. These systems include flight control computers, national communication systems, recognition systems, modular displays, panels, and navigation systems. It is designed for single-pilot operations under Instrument Flight Rules, IFR, and Visual Flight Rules, VFR, night operations, and flight in known icing conditions. These advanced avionics systems, developed domestically by Aselsan, enable Gukbei to compete with international civilian aviation platforms and demonstrate Turkey's increasing self-confidence and capabilities in critical aviation technologies. The modern cockpit design reduces pilot workload while enhancing safety and operational efficiency. Safety and reliability, built to protect the Gukbei helicopter, is designed and developed to meet the highest safety and reliability standards. It has proven its durability against cold climates by successfully completing cold weather tests under challenging conditions. It has emphasized its reliability by demonstrating safe flight capability even in single-engine failure scenarios, Category A standard. Controllability tests successfully conducted at 176 knots guarantee safe operation within defined limits. It features an advanced anti-icing system that ensures smooth operation even under extreme conditions. The 4-axis dual redundant automatic flight control system enhances stability and control while reducing pilot workload. Safety and reliability. Built to protect the transmission system, can operate for 30 minutes even in case of lubrication loss, providing an additional layer of safety. GUKBAY's ongoing certification process with the European Aviation Safety Agency, EASA, and the General Directorate of Civil Aviation, SHGM, demonstrates its commitment to complying with the strict safety standards set by international and national aviation authorities. TUSASH's Design Organization Approval Certificate, obtained from SHGM in June 2021, has expanded its certification authority to include large rotary wing aircraft like GUKBAY. These safety features incorporated into GUKBAY and the rigorous tests it has undergone ensure that the helicopter offers a high level of reliability and safety in various operational environments. The ongoing certification process is also crucial for confirming these standards at an international level. Expanding horizons. GUKBAY's variants and future. There are different versions and planned models of the GUKBAY helicopter. The basic variant is the T625 GUKBAY, a multi-role general-purpose helicopter. Future models are planned to use domestically produced TEI TS1400 turboshaft engines, with deliveries expected to begin as early as 2024 to 2025. TUSASH is also developing a larger variant, the T925 Heavy-class general-purpose helicopter, 11 to 12 tons MTOW, 20-plus personnel capacity, designed for military, paramilitary, and commercial uses, as well as firefighting missions. The first flight of this helicopter is planned for 2024, and its entry into the inventory for 2026. TIE T629 is a medium-weight attack helicopter under development that shares common systems with the T625 GUKBAY. It has both manned and unmanned electric versions. GUKBAY's development plan includes expanding the helicopter family with larger and special mission-oriented variants, in addition to domestic engine integration. This demonstrates Turkey's long-term commitment to building a comprehensive rotary wing aircraft capability. Going global, international market potential. The GUKBAY helicopter has significant potential in the international market. Classified as a medium-class general-purpose helicopter, GUKBAY competes with rivals such as the AgustaWestland AW139 and Airbus Helicopters H160. TUSASH CEO announced that they received a $1 billion offer for 32 GUKBAY helicopters from an undisclosed country, indicating significant international interest. GUKBAY's ability to operate in hot and high-altitude conditions, as well as its performance in extreme cold, enhances its appeal for a global market with diverse environmental challenges. The Tunisian army has shown interest in procuring GUKBAY. GUKBAY made its international debut at the Farnborough International Airshow in the UK in July 2024, showcasing its capabilities to a global audience. GUKBAY's modern design, versatile capabilities, and competitive positioning demonstrate its strong potential in the international market. The reported international interest and its first appearance at a major airshow offer a promising outlook for export sales. A source of national pride, GUKBAY's importance for Turkey. The GUKBAY project is of great importance to the Turkish defense and aviation industry. It represents a major step towards Turkey's goal of self-sufficiency in defense and aviation technologies, reducing dependence on foreign suppliers. The domestic development of critical subsystems, such as avionics by Aselsan and the TS1400 engine by TEI, showcases Turkey's increasing technological capabilities. TEI's development of the TS1400 engine is considered a giant leap towards its vision of becoming a globally competitive, original power systems OEM. The project makes significant contributions to the Turkish economy through job creation, fostering technological innovation, and generating potential export revenues. Gökbey will play a crucial role in the modernization of the Turkish armed forces by replacing aging platforms like the UH-1. President Erdogan has emphasized the importance of maintaining and developing independence in the defense industry, stating that projects like Gökbey are key to Turkey's strength and security. The Gökbey project represents much more than just the development of a helicopter. It symbolizes Turkey's goals in aviation and defense, its technological progress, and its commitment to national security. The success of this project will have far-reaching consequences for the Turkish defense and aviation ecosystem. A bright future with Gökbey TUSAŞ Gökbey, as Turkey's first original design and production multi-role general-purpose helicopter, has come a long way from its development process to its entry into operational service. With its technical specifications, versatile mission capabilities, advanced avionics, and robust safety features, Gökbey has significant potential in the international market. This project plays a critical role in strengthening Turkey's aviation and defense industries and solidifying its place in global aviation technologies. The future of the Gökbey program looks bright, and it is expected to make significant contributions to Turkey's global position in aviation technology. Thank you for watching our video. We invite you to check out our upcoming videos where we will introduce other innovative products by TUSAŞ. You can support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Until we meet again in the next video, stay with love.